All right, just doing my Saturday morning shipping. Got 5 things going out, which I'm happy with. But got a quick shipping tip for you. So I got this PS2 Slim. Does not read disc. It's going out for parts or repair. Sold it for 25 bucks. And the way I'm going to ship that is a combination of this box and a padded flat rate. And if you don't know, this box right here, you have to order this from USPS.com. It's 1096L. When you put this guy together, it fits perfectly in a padded flat rate. So I'm gonna put this together and show you what I mean. All right, so there we go. We got our PS2 Slim in our completed box. Almost misjudged how much bubble wrap I could do. It's a little fat. And here's our flat rate, padded flat rate envelope, the PFRE. And you see that baby just slides right in. This is also a fantastic way to ship Wii consoles. They fit in that box perfectly with like one layer of small bubble wrap, and slides right in. So most of these little consoles would probably ship at the 2-pound rate anyway, but this will definitely save you money if it's going, like me, I'm going to North Carolina to California, or God forbid someone in Hawaii buys your replacement Wii console. This gets it there for one low price. And really anything that's you want to protect in a PFRE, that little box is a great way to do it. So order some of those up and save money on shipping.